I'm not talking until I get some food. Come on. No. Shit. Rest.
What are you looking for?
The phone book. Where is it?
What do you need the phone book?
Where is it?
Are you done with that jelly yet?
Okay. I'm trying to call deli.
Which deli?
The deli right around the corner, Casper.
Why don't you call the information and get the number?
Because he doesn't know the name.
What's the name?
I don't know.
Does anybody know the name? Casper?
I don't know. Spankies?
No, come on. Is it?
Spankies?
You're an asshole.
Sparky's.
It's nothing like Spanky or Sparky's.
Spookies?
It doesn't even start with a fucking S.
Suckies.
Jesus wept!
Jesus sneezed.
Jesus farted.
Jesus changed his name to Spanky and opened a deli in Manhattan.